Hey guys, welcome to Big Daddy's Little Kitchen. Today I want to give you my twist on a classic all-time favorite burger recipe that we all come to know as a patty melt. So stick around, I'm going to show you how I do it next.
Hey guys, let's start off with a few sliced onions. Slap those in a pan and grill them up till they're nice and tender. While those are burning down, go ahead and get yourself some 80-20 beef, hit it with a little Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, and take it to the next step. Where traditional patty melt has rye bread, I'm going to use sourdough bread on mine. I like it lightly grilled, and the other extra step I put on these burgers is fresh mushrooms. You heard me right, man. These mushrooms are to die for on these burgers. So hit them up with a little salt and pepper and saute them down. While you're buttering your bread, keep your griddle nice and hot and put that on there till it's nice and golden brown. Down below, you're going to see my secret sauce recipe. And trust me when I tell you, this sauce takes this burger to the next level, so you're not going to want to leave this step out. While your bread is toasting, the only thing left we got going and missing is our patty. So into the pan he goes. And at this time, you're going to put a nice crust on this thing, because that pan should be hotter than a 57 Chevy on the 4th of July. Giving it a toss to the side, you about got heaven. And right there it is. We're getting ready to pop that on that bread. A little Swiss cheese and your sauce. Pop those mushrooms in place and lay those caramelized onions down. Once you get that set in place, the only thing we're missing is that patty. And trust me when I tell you, this patty on this setup is going to be one special sandwich. Don't forget, you may not want to take a first bite until you got the second patty ready, because I don't think you're going to stop with this one. Until next time, I hope you all enjoy eating this as much as I did making it for you. See you next time.
Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this one. Until next time, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on Big Daddy's Little Kitchen.